Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term "de." So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, "de" is a slang term used as a dismissive or derogatory insult, similar to calling someone an idiot or fool. People use it when they want to express frustration or tease someone in a playful or harsh way. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. Dick first showed up in Caribbean English and gained popularity through TikTok in the early 2020s. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among younger social media users and online communities. Now let's check out how to use "de" in a sentence. Correct example 1. He called me a "de" after I messed up the game plan. Correct example 2. Don't be such a "de", just relax and enjoy the party. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said "de" at Sunday dinner and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using "de" right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. "De" means a dismissive or derogatory insult, similar to idiot or fool. It started in Caribbean English, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with "de" in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.